Could you use an extra $100, $200, $500, $1,000? Well, I'm glad you have tapped into this episode, because this episode is dedicated to the side hustle, is dedicated to those who seeking passive income, those who looking for extra income, extra revenue, just supplementing income. With the times that we're living in, which is inflation, is no better time to start to build a passive income. If you're wondering who I am the one and only Coach Flo. This is another episode of Generation Investors. I'm glad that you decided to stop by, and I just want to share with you some passive ways to earn $500. That's right, $500, if not more, that you can supplement your income. I mean, who would want to do that? All right, especially in these inflation times, and with rent, with mortgage, with food, with medical bills, with credit card debt, with unsuspecting happenings, whether it's a flat tire, whether it's you have to fix up your car, repair housing, it doesn't matter. Things are expensive, and this is a way that you can supplement your income. All right, so the first one to talk about is sell digital products. Okay, there's different websites out here. Amazon, Etsy, Craigslist, eBay. You can take those digital products, okay, that you have created, and why not make money with it, okay? If you draw, if you are a gamer, or if you are any type of digital savvy, why not take that product and make money with it? That's a no-brainer, okay? There's so many ways out here. Affiliate marketing, that's another avenue that you can take. So selling digital products can be a way that you can get your product out there. Those who make t-shirts, those who make designs, graphic designs, all types of creating gaming, all those who create websites. This is just, it's endless. Okay, so digital products, that's one of the ways you can start out. Moving on, rent out property. Okay, I've said in previous episodes, Airbnb, Vrbo, it's another website called PureWow. Okay, PureWow, and so that's just a small sample size of what you can do. There's beach houses you can rent out. There are condos. There are lofts. There are duplexes. It's endless. Okay, there's endless. And taking those assets, because real estate is an asset, and making money off of it. You can rent out your garage. You can rent out your rooms. You can rent out your apartment. It's ways you can make money while you are working your 9 to 5. And that's where I want this episode to be tailored towards. Okay, so rent out your property, whatever it looks like. So if you don't even stay in a house, if you stay in an apartment, you stay in a loft, you stay in a condo, a duplex, you can rent all that out. There's somebody that needs a space to lay their head. There's somebody that needs a space, like a storage space, to store stuff. Okay, to store stuff. Okay, so you can make money off of just nowadays anything. Okay, because somebody needs what you have. Somebody been praying something that you have. Okay, you have something that somebody needs. So there's always somebody in need. So rent out property, or rent out your space, rent out your garage, and just look at, if you stay in an apartment, see if your landlord allow you to rent your space. If you are renting out a house, see if your landlord allow you to do that. Look at the location. You just have to really do your due diligence, do your research, get with the right people, okay, and look at renting out property. Moving on to creating that YouTube channel. All right, I've started. This is going into almost a full year coming up. And it's so many ways you can start on that platform of YouTube, DIY, crafts. You are a teacher, or you like teaching things, finances like myself, gaming, okay, it's voiceovers. YouTube is endless. It's something that somebody like, and you can be that person creates it. It's called content creation. So be a creator, content creator, and that is, but it takes some work, okay? It's not for everybody. It takes work just like anything else. Those who just looking like, oh, I can just set up a camera and start talking, you really have to know what you're talking about. You have to do your homework. You have to really be passionate about what you are talking about and just build up a base, okay? Build up a base, and who knows where it can go. Moving on to affiliate marketing, I said it just earlier, but affiliate marketing, it has ways that you can make money by promoting something. You have Amazon, you have TikTok, you have Target, you have the makeup lines, you have it's a app called Moomoo, and these investing apps. So you have ways you can affiliate marketing. Those who are shoe lovers, you can promote the shoes. You can promote all types of stuff. It's all affiliate marketing. It's a marketing strategy, and you're putting out a product, and that product say, hey, you get this promo and go support this business or go support this lineup. It is affiliate marketing. It's a marketing strategy, and if you are looking to promote something besides the promo, affiliate marketing has money into it. Those who with the clothing line, affiliate marketing. Those who with the makeup, and those who like patronizing different stores. You have food tasters like Keith Lee and Chime Time. Shout out to all of them. You have affiliate marketing. There's so many ways you can market spots that you patronize, whether it's food, whether it's entertainment, just affiliate marketing. And then let's get into the DoorDash. You have Lyft, you have Uber, okay, those who shop. You have Uber Eats. All those ways you can supplement your income. And with DoorDash, Lyft, and Uber, that pretty much you get the app and you go through the verification process of making sure that you have a clean driver record. You can always make money with those services because people will need somewhere to go and people will need somewhere to eat. Those are the two things. All right, and depending on where you at, the location, like I'm in Houston, there's always something going on in the city. So people, like I said, want to know where the hot spots at, where they want to know where you can eat at, where you can hang out at and just chill at, watch the game, lounge. Hey, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Lyft. All right, so all these ways you can create passive income. All right, it's just how much hours you willing to put in and how much you willing to invest in yourself. All right, that's the whole key of this thing. All right, so that's why I want to just let you know there is no better time than now to start making passive income, extra streams of income, supplementing your income, because the regular 9 to 5, we know that there's a cap on how much you can make, but stepping out and starting that side hustle, creating that passive stream is going to pay off, especially if you're consistent and you diligent. All right, so I hope you have enjoyed this episode. Hit that thumbs up, hit the like, hit the subscribe, because like I always say, don't let no one tell you what you can or can't do, because it can happen through who? You. You continue to invest in yourself. You continue to educate yourself. You continue to empower yourself. Budget, save money, and you will be successful at the end of the day. No matter what the haters say, all right, this is the time. Why wait? See you in the next one.